Hi everybody, this is Miss Stevens here. I hope everybody had a happy Monday and welcome to Terrific Tuesday. Let's walk through what you are going to do today. You have your Tiger incentives. Please keep in mind that during our class meeting that we will have an opportunity if you were to turn in your Google Classroom or your Class Dojo points, that you will have an opportunity to do a show and tell, or to, I think there was one on here, introducing a stuffed animal or pet, that during our class meeting that is not the time to do that. Again, during our class meeting we're just talking, we're sharing out, answering any questions, stuff like that. Okay, so for your Tiger incentives, that is an option. So for a lot of us are earning those Class Dojo points for coming in to our Zoom sessions on time. So make sure that you look out for those. Go to the next slide because there's no pig. Today you're going to watch the daily agenda. When you click here, the video will automatically start playing. Once you've watched the daily agenda, please make sure you do this before our class meeting. You will join our class meeting by clicking this link and then clicking the picture, and that'll direct you to our class meeting for today. For reading, there's your title slide. Tuesday, I'll be seeing these students between 9 and 9:20 for reading, and then I'll be seeing these students 9:25 to 9:45 for reading, and then these students will be seeing Ms. Thompson from 9:15 to 9:55. Please make sure that you just click the link, the time to get to our small group reading session, and again, you'll be earning Class Dojo points for participating. There's no pig on this slide, so you'll go to the next page. This is Miss Gray. She's doing our interactive read aloud, so you will be watching the video. And also, this is a Google slide. When you click there, it directs you to your Google Classroom, where you will be opening the slide up and using it today and tomorrow for the interactive read aloud. When you open it up, it's got sticky notes, and Miss Gray will be going over that with you in her small group, or her interactive read aloud. Okay, so I would just open this up and have a tab so you can go back and forth between the Google slides, because you're going to be typing on that Google slides. Okay, ignore where it says please turn in. I'm going to take that off. You'll turn it in tomorrow, since you're going to be using this tomorrow as your interactive read aloud as well. Alright, so you go to the next page because there's no pig. Here's the wonderful Miss Alexander for today's mini lesson, so you be sure that you watch that today. And then to get to your assignment, you will click on the word assignment. It'll direct you to your Google Classroom. And you have it won't direct you to your Google Classroom, a Google form. You have a Google form to complete, just a reading checkpoint. Make sure that you put your name. You're going to read the passage. Here is me reading it out loud for you. Here's some unfamiliar words, if you need their definition. And then you have 2 multiple choice and 2 extended responses. And then just turn that in when you are done. Alright, that's today for readings assignment. Oh, your specials, again, you'll click specials, you'll have Miss Powell, here's your link, and here's the Google Classroom code. Click the pig. We do not have science this week. We do have social studies, so click on social studies. Go to the next slide. Here's a presentation. We're still focusing on personal budget. And then here is a video from Miss Etheridge. If you click on the picture, it'll direct you to a link where she will be reading the book. Okay, so we're going to exit out of that. Go to the next slide. For your assignments, you will click here. It'll direct you to a Google form. this is social studies. Alex used to be rich last Sunday, so you're going to put your name in here and you are going to answer the multiple choice questions based off the book that was just read, and then you'll submit it to me. Come back here, click on the pig. Lunch, 11:30 to 12:30. Then you have math. There's your title page. Today is Tuesday. I'll be seeing these students from 12:45 to 1:05 for math. I'll be seeing these students from 1:10 to 1:30. And Miss Thompson will be seeing these students from 1 to 1:40. Go to the next slide. This is Miss Anderson. Not Miss Anderson. Miss Tharp, who's going to do your mini lesson for math today. Go to the next slide. You will click on assignments. That will direct you to your Google Classroom, which I don't know why. Oh, I'm on the wrong account, but it's okay. I will show you. So tomorrow is the 18th for math. You have a math independent assignment that is due. Okay. I can already see that some people have turned this in. I don't know how you can already turn this in when you have not viewed the mini lesson for today. Okay. So let's go back here. So that's your assignment. You will turn it in. It is a document. There is no pig on this page, so you'll go to the next slide. And this is Ms. Geis, who is going over the independent assignment and what the correct answer should be. Click on here for the pig. Here's writing. These students will be seeing me from 2 to 2:30 for writing, and these students will be seeing Ms. Thompson from 2 to 2:30. Go to the next page. Here is Ms. Gray for your mini lesson and writing. Go to the next page. Create a Finding Ideas for True Stories graphic organizer and writing journal, and begin writing about a chosen special person or special place in the writing journal. Then upload a picture and place in the digital writing journal. So you will be creating a graphic organizer in your original writing journal that you have, or on a piece of paper. And then you're going to begin writing about a chosen special person or special place in your writing journal. You can do this in your writing journal, or you can do it in your digital writing journal, but if you do it in your paper writing journal, then you can just take a picture and upload it to your digital writing journal. Click here. Again, we do not have spelling, so you don't have anything to complete for that, but there is your choice board. And then here's your checklist. Reading, I watched and participated in the interactive read aloud. I watched Miss Alexander's mini lesson video. I completed the independent task and turned in it if I was directed to do so, which is the Google form. And I participated in my small group Zoom session meeting. Science, there is nothing to complete for science. Social studies, I watched the mini lesson video, and then I completed the independent task, which is the Google form. Math, I watched Ms. Tharp's mini lesson video. I completed today's independent task, and you should have turned it in today. I watched Ms. Geis' solution video on today's independent task, and I participated in my small group Zoom session. For writing, I watched the writing mini lesson video. I completed the independent task, which is done in your digital notebook. There's nothing to be turned in, and I participated in my small group Zoom meeting session. And then spelling, there's nothing to complete for today. And then you are done. All right. I hope you guys watch this before you come to the class meeting, so if you have any questions, you can ask me. I hope you guys have a wonderful Tuesday. See you later.